Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 9 of my Revit tutorial series. Today, today I will explain view control, including zooming, visibility settings, and useful shortcuts. Understanding view control is very important for efficient modeling and navigation in Revit. Let's get started. View control in Revit refers to the tools and settings that helps us navigate, visualize, and manage elements within the model. It allows user to zoom in and out, control the visibility of elements, and work efficiently using shortcuts. Proper understanding of these controls can significantly improve productivity. Let us first understand zoom control. Zoom, Zooming helps us focus on specific areas of the model. There are different zoom options available in Revit. You can use the mouse scroll when to zoom, uh, wheel to zoom in and zoom out. You can also use the zoom tool from the navigation bar. The zoom to fit allow you to view the entire model within the screen. Another useful option is zoom in region, which allows you to select a specific area to zoom into. Efficient use of zoom tool helps in better accuracy while modeling. Now let us understand visibility control. Visibility settings allow you to control which elements are visible in a particular view. In Revit, you can use the visibility graphics options to manage visibility. This tool allows you to turn on or off different categories such as ducts, walls, grids, and annotations. You can also apply filters to highlight specific element. Proper use of visibility control helps in reducing clutter and improving clarity in the model. It is especially useful in MEP projects where multiple services are present. Now, let us look at some useful shortcuts that improve workflow. The shortcut ZA. The shortcut VG. The shortcut VV can also be used for visibility control. Using shortcuts helps save time and increases productivity while working in Revit. Efficient use of view controls helps engineers work faster and more accurately. It also improves coordination and reduces errors in the model. Mastering these basic tools is essential for every Revit users. To summarize, view control in Revit includes zooming, visibility management, and shortcuts. These tools help in better navigation, improved clarity, and faster workflow. Thank you for watching. This is part 9 of my Revit tutorial series. In the next video, I will explain more useful Revit concepts. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.